There's a tax that most people pay every single day, but it never shows up on a paycheck, and nobody warns you about it. In fact, the entire system depends on you not noticing it. Most people believe the biggest thing holding them back financially is income tax. They think if taxes were lower, they would finally get ahead. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is something much quieter, something far more dangerous. Invisible taxes. Taxes that slowly drain wealth from people who work the hardest. The first invisible tax is inflation. Every year your money becomes worth less. Groceries go up, rent goes up, gas goes up, but your paycheck rarely keeps up. So even if you're working harder, you're actually falling behind. Imagine running on a treadmill that slowly speeds up every year. Eventually you're exhausted, but you're still in the same place. That's inflation. The second invisible tax is bad financial advice. For decades, people have been told, work hard, save your money, put it in the bank. But banks don't build wealth. Banks store money while inflation eats it. Meanwhile, the wealthy rarely store money. They move it into assets, assets that grow, assets that produce income, assets that work even when they're sleeping. But the biggest invisible tax is something almost nobody talks about. The tax of only having one income source. If your income stops when you stop working, you're not building wealth. You're renting your life out, hour by hour. And the system is perfectly designed for that. Schools train people to get jobs. Jobs train people to depend on paychecks. And paychecks keep people stuck in the cycle. The wealthy escape this cycle in a completely different way. They build systems, businesses, digital products, software, content, things that can produce income without constant effort. Today, AI has made building systems easier than ever before, but most people will still ignore it because building systems take something most people avoid: thinking differently. So the question isn't how hard you work. Millions of people work incredibly hard. The real question is this: are you building a paycheck? Or are you building a system? Because the people who escape the invisible taxes are the ones who stop trading time and start building leverage.